All, welcome to today's live stream. It's Tuesday, and once again for another vibe coding tool comparison. So today we're doing a deep dive on Cursor 2.0. Jordan, our developer for today, will be
Hello.
building a simple garbled computation. Of course, I'm Calvin, the creator. So kick us off, Jordan. How Cursor 2.0. What
Okay.
has changed?
Well, let me share my screen first. Um, are you able to see my screen?
There we go. Yep, we can see your screen now.
Okay, so the Cursor 2.0, I would go through this documentation. It introduced a new model built by Cursor, which is the composer. It claimed that it is 4 times faster than similarly intelligent models. So we're going to test it out today. And also, there is the multi-agent interface, meaning that you can use multiple agents simultaneously.
That's good. They didn't have that before, right? You're just working with one.
Yeah.
And YOLO was still pretty primitive. It hallucinates a lot.
Exactly.
I remember.
I'll try it out today. And this is for pro version. I got the pro version today. I test out the free version. It does not support a composer model, and also the multi-agent. I'm not sure. Let's try it out today. So you want me to get started with what we are going to do?
Yeah,
sure. First, let me draw. We need something to draw. Oh, a flashbang. Sorry.
Some people prefer light mode over dark mode.
Not me.
Joshua prefers light mode over dark mode.
No way.
It's weird.
Way. So basically, this is like a simple graph, right? We have person A, and I just clone this person B. And what we are going to do today is person A gonna submit an encrypted value to the blockchain, to our smart contract, and person B is going to submit a value to the blockchain or smart contract on the blockchain. So basically, the value they sent is going to be encrypted. An integer, which is a number, right? So they're gonna submit any integer, and we are going to use the COTI garbled circuit to privately compute the sum of 2 numbers, meaning that the value will not be decrypted during the process of computation. That's actually magic of COTI.
So basically, the end result will still be correct, but person A and person B cannot see each other's values coming in. Well, person A knows their own value, but person B cannot see person A's. Person A's cannot see person B's.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Cool.
That's the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to build on COTI.io, which is, let me zoom in. Navigate to docs.coti.io. This is where all the documentations related to COTI technology are. And I'll go to quick start and open COTI contract examples and also COTI TypeScript examples.
I want to take a second to so we actually have a lot more people now joining now. Yeah, we're doing a deep dive on Cursor 2.0 and looking at the changes from previous Cursor and
also test out the frontier model.
Yeah.
I'll just download this code as zip file. Wait a second. Navigate to my Cursor lab. And these are the files that I just downloaded. it contains COTI contract examples and also COTI TypeScript examples. So contract examples is how COTI guides their builders on how builders can create smart contracts on their blockchain. And also the TypeScript is how they do a process of onboarding, encryption, decryption on the COTI blockchain. So this is the code, and this is a smart contract examples.
Nice.
What we're going to do next is I'm going to open the folder, Cursor Lab. Let's just extract these two files first. Close this. But okay, before we move on, this is the new looks of Cursor 2.0. It has the agent, and also I'm pretty sure it has the editor mode, which it will shows all the code.
That's pretty cool. Actually, it looks kind of like Anti-Gravity by Google.
I think the base is on Visual Studio
Yes,
Code,
yeah,
both of it.
VS Script.
I have to click the open folder instead. Oh, I forgot it was here. So now we got two files, two examples. We will use these as our context. So normally when we like build things on Visual or Lovable, we would just throw things from the documentation into the website, right? We'll just copy code and throw it in. But now we have these two files. We will use these as a context.
So the agent will always refer back to the examples to relearn,
Yes.
and learn how to build on COTI.
Yes, without guessing, because we have an exact examples right here. So we can start prompting now. In my preference, I would tell it to go through the example provided in this directory, and I'll state it what to build and what are my expectations and stuff. We could also start from planning first, and it will plan everything for us. I'll spend my time typing this. Have you ever used Cursor before?
Me, no, I've not, because you want to know the simple reason why?
Why?
It's because the tokens get very expensive, and that is very jarring for me. So I'm stuck. I'm really stuck in Google's ecosystem when it comes to vibe coding at the moment. So I use
I see.
I use AI Studio plus Anti-Gravity, and it's been good for me so far. I do see that it hallucinates a lot, but I'm curious to how much it hallucinates compared to Claude. For
Yes,
example.
Claude is like a flash. It's like the top tier.
Yeah.
I used Cursor the first time it released. It was good, and then I faced like many hallucinations from it, so I stopped using it.
Yes, working with Rafa in previous live streams using Claude. Using Claude plus Cursor, it does hallucinate a lot. I think it has come a long way since then. Yeah. But I am a big fan of Gemini Pro 3.0. I find it still works for me.
Yeah, Google is like it has a lot of data to work on.
Yes.
That's why their AI is actually pretty powerful.
Yeah, I'm surprised that Windows hasn't pushed into AI more. They came in early as well, but they've kind of stepped back a little bit. Considering that GitHub is theirs, I mean, I'm surprised they're not competing so far right now. Anyways, yeah.
It's just a simple problem. I'll use Composer, but when I tested using the free one, it also works. But since we got a pro version, we're gonna try the Composer and see how fast it gets.
Nice.
Actually, pretty fast.
That's
I'm not sure if
cool.
it is because it's a desktop app, like comparing to the browser app. I'm not sure if it's related.
I think it depends
Yeah,
on if
the thing is, it asks you a question, like a human readable question, right? Not a coding,
a
some
human
coding
readable
question.
question. Okay.
Single user can switch between person A, three roles. Two separate user connect with different wallets. This one, okay. We'll use two separate users connect with different wallets so we can test it in real scenario. And now it's going to create a plan. But
Nice.
we also have a new agent, which the agent can work simultaneously, work in
Wow, I do
parallel.
like that it actually pumps out a mind map for you. The
Yeah,
architecture.
yep.
Nice.
Actually, we can zoom in. Wait. And let me see what's doing. I'll try something out first. I just want to see how it works together because I'll tell this agent to create the contract. And wait, we actually have built a new agent here.
So
Oh,
basically, one agent is for planning, the other agent is to build it.
yeah, it allows us to do that,
Nice.
like different chat, but everything is synced.
The good thing about this is that with new agents, it's fresh context, and if they're dealing with one part of the code, the chances of hallucinating is a lot less.
Yeah, the single responsibility is better. um, let me see. Is it done? Actually, the good thing about cursor is we can test it before we can click keep it. That is like pretty powerful because
Yeah.
when you ask AI to change something and it just change it and now it breaks your things, right? But in
Yeah.
cursor, you it will give you to review on it to test it out, and then if it breaks your stuff, you can just undo it.
There are
But
many times when you're building something and um and it works perfectly. You want to change one small thing and suddenly everything breaks, and then rolling back can be a pain.
yes, exactly. That happens to me a lot.
Me too. Deep pain. But so that is actually awesome. Is that new? I'm pretty sure that's new.
What? What's that?
Reviewing before changing.
I'm
Is
pretty
that
sure this is new.
2.0?
Yeah. And from now on, I would just make it do everything. Here, right here. I'll see if it create a new project right here. It's supposed to create a new project, and we will use these two just only for context. I don't want it to like, yeah, here it is. I don't want it to touch all the code from the COTI. And I would just wait. I've I barely use AI desktop app. I always use online like ChatGPT, Claude, and also like Visual for UIs. And
But
that's all I
how do you
use
use
mostly.
that though? I don't understand how. Like I know people that use Claude, right, to code, and also ChatGPT, but
Yeah.
how does that work? Like, Do you just copy paste code?
Not really. Like some, I'm low. I know. The thing is, what I know what I'm doing, right? So I would just ask it for some solution of some part of things, and I know like where how do I apply that on my code base,
Okay, all right. So you already have like you're already coding on VS
a
Code, for
background.
example, and and
Yeah,
and you're
exactly.
just applying. Okay, cool. Probably a cheaper like
Yes,
alternative
exactly.
uh rather than this. But
Exactly.
you
But
should you
for
should try
beginners,
anti-gravity.
I would try it. I would try it. I was about to compare it with Cursor today, but I'll
It is a
finish. I
long.
will. Yeah, it will be a long one.
Yeah.
I will not review it. Just assume that I don't know anything, and let's see. Currently, what we have is let's see. Let's see on this one first. It created us a smart contract, COTI smart contract, probably here. The reason it's creating on this file because it has all the functionalities to deploy and compile smart contract, so it does not need to create a new project for that. This is a new smart contract just created right here. I'm not even sure how the logic works. We will test that together, and let's check on the application development. Sometimes these AIs, right? The things I always face it always use the older versions of the dependencies, which will break a lot of things. So, and I've also forgot to mention like to use the latest version of all the dependencies, and we'll see if we'll see that it will use the old version, and we'll try to fix that.
What do you mean by old version of dependencies?
So for example, React, right? A framework, right?
Yes.
Sometimes it used the older version of React, even though for now it's 19, right?
Understood.
It
Okay.
may use
Cool.
the 17 or the 18. Yeah.
And that's not from the examples, right? That's just maybe it just pulls data from somewhere on the internet.
Yeah, just yes,
Okay.
just how it was trained, probably. So now it's created our app, and I would just ask it, how can we run our Gaudi private sum app? Or I would just ask for the further steps I have to do.
Cool.
It's creating a deployment guide. It's gonna be a long one. Okay, so it's telling us to do this. Okay, I'll keep all, but no, for new coders, right? They will not have no idea what to do. I'll try to tell it to proceed on each steps, and it will ask me like to allow any commands it needs. I'll just simply tell it to do all the steps. Like these two are like very powerful for beginners and also non-coders because it knows what it's doing. But sometimes we just have to give it a nudge to make it be on track. And like I said here, it will give me the script, the command to run. I'll do it. But it is the best if we like copy the command and ask other AIs what this do and what this do, because there are cases where AIs cost real money, and
Yep.
that's a thing to be concerned. I'll just wait for it.
There's a lot of waiting when vibe coding, but it's better than actually doing it, I guess.
Yeah, better than Googling.
Googling a bunch of stuff and then
Yeah.
copy pasting from Stack Overflow.
Good old days. Run it. It's just running a terminal command. I'll just go through all the codes right here. It's also prepared the functionalities to communicate to the smart contract already, which is pretty impressive. The only like models that will do this is like Claude. I never seen ChatGPT do this.
Do what?
Creating smart contracts and also creating code to communicate to that smart contracts.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do it well and do it effectively. I'm curious if it works the first time. Let's put bets.
Funny enough, I tried it the first time on the free version. It actually worked.
On the free version?
Yeah.
Oh, imagine if it doesn't work on this paid one.
Well, downgrade. Let's downgrade. Refund to Joshua.
No more. Done with Cursor 2.0.
Okay. I just add it to allow list, meaning that it will remember that is on the allow list, and it will just not ask for permission anymore. The reason I'm not adding like npx to my allow list is because it's installing like third-party dependencies, and I just want to see like what it's actually installing. So there'll be a lot of waiting. 32.4% context use. So we have Gemini 3 Flash is actually free, right? Or is it not free?
It is free for with limits. Yeah, free with limits. I have not hit that limits yet, and I managed to build I managed to build full on apps with
it. Claude always limits so fast, so fast that I have to buy it.
Yeah, that's my problem with Claude. I'm not a big fan of. Understandable, because it is probably very intensive to have these to have agents building your code for you.
Yeah,
but I am, especially when you're building prototyping a new project. The last thing you want to do is like put in too much budget into it,
Yeah, sure. Maybe Google will be like the one stop for everything.
I think so. Yeah, Jerput said Cursor lit it, credit. Yeah, Cursor is very expensive. It gets very expensive very fast. Let's just say, if you're a full-time developer like Jordan, I think it's very worth it. But if you are a solo developer, just take note
Yep.
that it gets very expensive.
Yeah.
But as we
Anyway,
see
like,
here, it's great though.
yes. I never use things like pay per message or anything exceed what I'm paying per month. I'll just wait.
Yeah, but and I like V0, I like Lovable, and I could actually using Claude 4.5. When I use Claude 4.5 is usually from Lovable and V0, and
Yeah.
it's always great. But still, it's the limits, daily limits.
We already consumed 36.7 and we haven't seen any website yet.
Is that tokens or dollars?
What?
Is that tokens? 36 point something tokens or dollars?
Probably tokens. Of course it's tokens.
Okay, good.
Probably
$36 is pretty wild.
Keep all. Finally. Now it will teach us what to do. Install dependencies. Setup completed. Ready to deploy. I just follow the command. I like to do it line by line. And also we need a private key to.
Yeah.
Yes. But don't worry, I'll just create a dummy wallet for that. Oh, now there's an error. You are currently using Node 25, version 25, which is not supported. I'll fix that later. I'll just I'll just create a wallet for myself. Wait a minute. Private key. You're not seeing my screen right now, but I'm creating a new account and also
Why don't you share
copying
your
a new private key.
why don't you share your account and private key?
Because I don't have any money to be stolen. Well, actually, practically, you should not show your private key at all. Now, oh wait, did I just show it? I did, but never mind. It just happened so quick. Wait. Okay. Or just a dummy account, anyways. I'll send some COTI to that account on testnet. Let me see. I'm using MetaMask to send some COTI to the newly created account, and we provide a private key to Cursor so it can use our wallet to deploy our contract. That is what we are doing.
Nice. Did you make 2 dummy accounts?
I made a lot of accounts. I cannot even remember which one is. It's not
Which one's
exposed.
dummy, which one's actually a real one?
Yeah. Okay. Just try this script again. Probably get the same error. Oh no. Okay, deploying contract for this account balance to COTI because I just funded. Now deployment success. Copy the contract address here. Create. Okay, now it's telling us the instruction of what to do, which is navigating to this COTI private sub app. So if you don't want to follow the command right here, we can just new file .env. Just copy this, save it, restart your React app. I have not even started yet. Wait, what is this? Oh.
What's the issue now?
The React scripts here. Currently, the reason I'm not able to run npm run dev is because it is using some old dependency. That's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
So I just refer to this. I will navigate to the scripts because I test the run scripts. It does not have running on development environment. If we also try to use this npm run start, it's gonna fail anyways. Oh, it's not. Wait, it's a. Well, I tested out. It failed, but now it's not. Oh, okay. I'll share what I'm seeing right now. This is the error I'm facing right now. I'll just copy this into Weezer. Oh no, not Weezer, Cursor. I always work with Weezer. You know.
Yeah. I was telling. Have you ever explained why you like V0 more than Lovable?
It's just personal preference, and also I feel like Lovable bind you to it ecosystem. I mean, Weezer you can connect to any database.
Yeah.
And also it doesn't have what is called the lovable cloud, right? I don't like that.
Yeah, Lovable Cloud. Lovable Cloud, to be honest,
it's not
Lovable Cloud
flexible.
makes it easy. Okay. Yes, true.
But I haven't looked into it deeper on how the migration works, so I cannot like come to the conclusion that it's bad. But my experience with Weezer is a lot better. What are these? Let's just keep it. I'll just tell it to use a modern framework. Oh, I didn't pay the script. Because now it does. I assume that it's using a very old framework.
Yep. Very old React framework, right?
Not React necessarily. Some dependencies of it.
Okay.
just take some times. What is the hardest thing you have ever vibe coded?
Hardest thing that I've ever vibe coded. I'm still learning. So all the things that I've vibe coded are tend to be very easy.
Mhm.
But the thing about vibe coding is that very easy now is would have taken me like 4 years before vibe coding of learning how to code
Mhm.
before doing what I'm doing now. So hardest thing I would say it has to be the receipt scanning system
Oh.
where you can take a phone in the web app, take a picture of a receipt, and it will read all the data from that photo,
Mhm.
turn it into like extract it, turn it into a CSV file
That's
so that it
actually
can be
pretty
used for
interesting.
accounting.
Oh, that's actually a pretty like a tough project from the
Y-
one from a person who like does not know any like coding.
Yeah. But like the reason why I can do it now is because of free tools that are out there. I attribute a lot of it to AI Studio. So yeah,
I can see.
and I'm a very big fan of
I can tell.
it.
Now is in installing new dependencies. We are facing errors. And install. Good thing with AI is we can just throw the errors
Yeah,
to here,
and then slowly it'll fix itself. That's the thing.
and then we can just have a conversation while
Yeah,
we wait.
because that is the thing, right? It's like the initial creation is sure it'll eat up your tokens, but the bug fixing and error fixing is also where a
Yeah,
big chunk of where you burn your tokens.
we only want to build. We don't want to fix.
Yeah, that's the fun part is the building.
Yeah,
Fixing is annoying. Yeah. Come on, little
come
teaser.
on. I have not even. Oh,
There we go.
just playing it for no reason. Oh,
Person
waiting
B.
for submission.
Yeah, how does
Oh,
person
we have
B?
to on. How is it even working? No, we'll just try it.
Okay.
We're onboarding our account. The same COTI steps. I'll enter push number should I use 55. Sign some transactions. Person B. Oh, contract runner does not support sending
There we go.
transactions. So we go.
Unsupported operation. Now that
Yeah,
is where the error
we
comes in.
got another errors while one of our errors is being fixed.
Okay, run. Should you get a
I'll just
new?
allow this everything. What?
Should you create a new agent for bug fixing? Is that better best practices?
That's a good idea.
Yeah,
I never
let's try
thought
that.
that. But this one is what we're working on.
So one agent can be the builder, and the other agent can be going back and fixing things for that agent that's building.
Cancel. Too risky. The issue we are facing right now is probably the mismatched version and not compatible versions. This, which is a headache.
Mm.
Set contract address. Just run. Okay. Now it's working. Control address is not set. It's a good thing that we can open the browser right here. It's actually pretty cool.
Oh,
But I've never
nice.
tested connect to wallet. MetaMask would not work probably
Yeah,
because
you need MetaMask.
yeah. Well, keep that. Well, you can keep that in mind if you are like building stuff, and you can just preview it in here. Tell me to go to here.
To be honest, I do like the interface though. It's actually intuitive.
Which one? This
Cursor?
one?
Yeah. No, not
This one?
not that, not that. Cursor do.
Yeah, it's actually minimal. It's pretty straightforward, right?
Yeah.
Agents,
It's not
design,
very
and
scary too.
yeah, we can just hide everything. Onboarded. Simple value free. Please help me remember what I input. You're probably gonna get the same errors because the previous one is not fixing the new errors here.
Yeah.
Unsupported operations. As you suggest, we'll try to create. Try it. Sorry.
Are you using a mechanical keyboard?
No.
No.
A magic keyboard. MacBook
Oh
keyboard.
God! Wow.
It because the microphone is on the same table. That's why.
Okay.
I have a backup plan. If this take longer than expected, I have another project on Cursor, which we can take a look. It's already working, and I built that like faster than building this one. I'm not sure what is actually happening.
Well, welcome to vibe coding. For some reason,
Well,
just like the same prompts, the same
thanks for
stuff,
having me.
it breaks
Yeah.
naturally. Sometimes it works, sometimes it just, yeah. And the tip is that if the code just keeps on breaking and you're 30 minutes to an hour into your work, into your project, sometimes it's a good idea to just start again.
Yes, that's not a good idea. That's the best idea.
That is the best idea because it is like fixing a bunch of leaky pipes. And
Yeah. You're already
it's
tired.
never ending.
Just start new thing. Start new life. Okay.
And chances are the new project is better.
I think it fixed our problem. Let's try to.
It's funny because Jordan was doing a project and putting together a project in the office, and he had a workflow prepared, and he said 100% this one prompt will 100% pump out the game.
It's not. Yeah, the one from yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
it will work.
100%. It will work.
100% success rate from my test.
100% success rate. But the moment we showed it to Joshua, it didn't work properly.
Which one?
Santa. The cursor thing. It was using arrows keys.
He was using the cursor.
No, he was using
Oh.
V0 or something. V0. He was
You
using
mentioned
V0.
cursor.
Oh no, the cursor as in the
mouse cursor.
the
right?
mouse cursor. Yes, not cursor. This cursor.
Yeah, that's actually pretty embarrassing. Because
But
you know what, I tested like 10 times before
I know I
got
saw
that
you
on the
tested it. The moment someone else tested it,
even though it works for me, right? I test
Yeah.
it again like 3 more times to make sure it works.
Yeah.
And it works. And now when other people try it, it breaks.
It breaks. Yeah.
Investigating transaction error. Try it out. Did I submit the chat?
Doesn't seem like you
Wait,
submitted to chat.
wait, let me check. 35.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. No, the moment of truth is when we run the compute encrypted sum.
All right, fair enough. Moment of truth on this bug, at least.
Ooh,
It's submitted. Nice.
Okay, person B should connect their wallet in separate browser session on Windows. Let's try it. Which account am I on? Okay, I'll just drag another window here. What's showing this? Person A and person A.
Oh, true. Could be a UI issue. No, but it's already waiting for submission.
Waiting
How
for
does person B
submissions.
get their link? Interesting.
It's time to fix it. What I'm going to tell it is probably because the prompt I give it is not like clear. Probably my fault. I'll tell it what I want to see. Wait a second. Whether with a receiver and okay, I'll change the UI. Also add more tabs so we can see the flow easily. Also change some the color accent of the website. I talked with Joshua once, right? And he mentioned that AI is always like to make a purplish website, and I can see that. Like
Yeah,
every AI is always make
purple website.
purplish their
Because
website.
purple's a nice color, man.
Mhm.
Look,
Yeah,
purple right here. Purple right here. Purple.
I'm
Technically,
not sure if
our
I'm hearing
background.
some background noise from you. Where's it from me? Oh, it's actually. Oh, it's gone now.
What?
Or if this take longer than expected, I would just show the final result. I'll just
What? How are you? How? What is the user experience, right? Like, so one person connects their wallet, and then in another window, in the same instance, another person connects their
yes,
wallet.
and the smart contract will pair up their values and do the computation.
Okay, gotcha.
So basically, when you're submitting value, you have to state the receiver, which is the person B wallet, right? And then person B when submit have to write the person A wallet address, so the smart contract knows which pair to compute the value. I wish I had it. We have a fast forward button like YouTube videos, but for AI.
1.5, 2.5.
Yeah,
All right, faster. Come on, think more. Think quicker. Think quicker. Excuse
yeah.
me.
So we restarted. Okay, where is it? Oh, what is this website?
Yeah, it looks nice actually.
Is it actually the same website? Oh, version 8
Ooh, there's a
submitted.
nice little
Wait,
notification too. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's not too bad.
how can I know which one is person B?
Yeah,
Why
who
is it
knows?
keep showing this? Oh my,
We're waiting for person B.
on board. I'll try it again.
So that's still person A. How does person B submit?
Let's do 44 and 55. Receiver wallet should be this address. I think there's glitching on the toes,
The
but we'll
notification.
look after that for now. Submit value. It might like go deeper and down deeper to the smart contract issues, like how it was designed.
I saw an error just now.
Yeah, I saw that. I just want to see.
There we go. Contact runner
There's
does not support.
yeah. I will tell the last thing I'm going to ask it is if these changes affect the way our smart contract works. If it is, we need to redeploy a new smart contract.
Okay.
Yeah, as expected, the current contract does not support. This is one of the thing when we are white coding, right? We'll just straight up like trying to test it out, but we haven't reviewed everything if or as the AI of the summarization, or we skip the summarization of what it just built for us.
Mm-hmm.
And these will always happen if you like didn't read through the AI summarizations, and it just shift your requirements without you knowing, and we have to come back in the starting point to recreate it.
Interesting. Actually, didn't know.
Yeah, but this is happen only for smart contract, right? Because when
Yeah,
smart contract is deployed onto the blockchain, it cannot be changed. That's why we have
and
to
because
redeploy the new smart
yeah,
contract.
it's not flexible, so it has to any new changes has to be redeployed,
Yep.
like you said. Can you prompt it to not break the smart contract, or just have it be constrained to the original smart contract?
Trained to the original smart contract.
Yeah, so that it doesn't
It's
be.
actually follow the. I'm pretty sure it's actually following the COTI patterns, right? But it is because the requirement we give it on the very first prompt, it does not like understand it correctly. That's why we are having the issue. It's not about the syntax. That's what I'm assuming. So it's just a mismatch of the requirements. I saw a question from Giraffe, but not sure if has meeting give free credits or not. Could you please clarify that,
Yeah,
Kevin?
yeah, I'm not too sure. I think if he means past versions of Cursor, if they give free credit or not, I don't think they give free credit. Cursor, you gotta, because they don't have their own model. So
Yeah, but
yeah.
they do have like an if we can see here, right? It has an auto which will use like the basic model and free. This is for free version. I'm pretty sure
Oh,
it has some limits, but I've never reached the limits.
hmm. Okay.
But I'm reaching the composer limits.
Ew.
EU
Oh. Context, right? Context limit,
context use.
not the wait. Context limit it means you can
I
just
mean,
deploy a
we
new
have to
agent, right?
restart everything, right? That's that. Yeah.
No, I'm pretty sure.
What?
Oh man, that would be rough if you have to restart
No,
everything.
because I have a backup plan, which is that already
All right.
deployed. I will navigate through everything.
Can you click on the second agent, another agent window, see if it's has
This
different
one?
context? Yeah, it's different context.
Oh, it depends
Yeah,
on the.
that's context.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
makes sense. You just make a new make a new agent
Okay,
and
and go
fire
read
the other
from
one.
this agent. Go read from this
Delete.
agent.
Like, don't have that agent anymore. Go to a new agent.
Okay,
Delete.
run deploying new contract.
Oh my god.
Oh, here it is. Calvin, I'm pretty sure I'm hearing like
Last
some.
meaning, cafe cursor.
I'm hearing some like little like silence noise from you.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yep, it's now gone. Probably you're muted, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I will run my application again. Well, oh, we are in the contract example. That's why it's not working. I'll navigate to the COTI private sum application and run the script. Okay, now we got a.
Oh, we never gave away free credits here, but for from our meetups, I don't believe.
We have to onboard our wallet first. Receiver. So the sum should come out with number 77, right? After we submit it. Where did I submit them?
Well, let's see.
Well, let's see. Oh,
Ooh, still the same.
Yeah, this can be
Same
fixed
error.
anyways. Yep. Like these issues we already faced it once, right? Well, I'm not sure why it's showing it again. I'll just open another project. Wait, does it?
Can you only have one project up at a time?
I accidentally opened another project. Sorry. I'll just use the one we were using. New Windows. I'll use this Windows to open the one that it was working, which is this one. I'm not sure if it has fixed anything. Probably not. I submit for continue and rework. This is a free version, by the way, and I only used one agent to try it out.
Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, maybe the free one is the superior version.
It was actually reverse psychology. We need to run the other agent. Yeah, we'll wait for this. I mean, I can show the demo of the one I created. This is like a very simple one. I have this account, right? The flow will be the same, so I can just show you like what I'm trying to do exactly.
Right. I mean, the UI is not as nice, but if it works, it works.
Yeah, exactly. The UI can change. We can check on the result. There's some transaction history, so value submitted and some computed. Thing is, when it always prompt me to like onboard again. Like AI does not know like the proper way of onboarding on the COTI blockchain. But we have to provide like a lot of context on it. Now I copy my address, which we paste it here, and I will copy this wallet address and paste it here. Number would be 44 and 22. I'll submit for this one first.
And will it work?
It will work.
It will work.
Trust me.
There we go.
For it.
Waiting for confirmation.
Submit it. Just wait for the block. Just wait for it. Let's check on the block explorer first. I'm not sure why it's not updating. It showed success. No, this is 11 hours ago. No, not this one. From interact with this contract, which is the contract deployed. Transactions. Oh, now it's failed. It's probably I have not created handling the other wallet address. That's probably why. What I'm gonna do, I'll try to change.
Could it be gas fee?
No, I do have a gas fee like enough for it. Probably the way I designed it for the demonstration. Let's see if I change the wallet and it works. And I will explain like clearly what just happened. Okay, this is a fresh account. I want to make sure which wallet it is connected to. Okay, the partner address would be this person's. It's actually pretty confusing on what I'm doing. Well, I'll explain.
You've lost me a bit.
Go ahead. Okay, now we have a success transaction, right? We're gonna submit the value again with numbers like about 105. Okay, now it has transaction history fetched from the blockchain. And after this one is submitted, I will show you the computation. Did you remember what I put for the first person? The number. I actually forgot.
55 or 77 or
Really?
44? You did a number like that.
I did a
Oh,
lot of
well,
numbers.
then you won't know because it's it's garbled.
Okay, now we check the pairs. Okay, we now we can compute the sum, right? It is
Yeah.
being computed like s- privately, let's say. And we can see that the data that is being submitted on chain is
Testnet.
actually
COTI
yep,
scan.
it's actually encrypted. Yeah.
Yeah. It's garbled, all right.
Okay, pair with okay. Submitted some computed success. We can
Yes,
see
yes.
the partner address 138. So
Is that what you added? Oh, well, no, wait. One is 44 and one, yeah, something.
well, we have a calculator. I remember 78. Is that actually what we input?
I don't think it was 78. I think it was
Oh wait, 183. No, 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 no. Wait.
130,
138, 105. 33.
33.
That makes
See, it's
sense.
a
That's what I do.
double. That's a double number.
That makes
You
sense.
kept you changed it. It was 55, 77, 33.
Yeah, so that basically what I'm trying to do, right? So
Yeah.
one person submit an encrypted value and another person submitted an encrypted value,
And then the
and we
sun.
like we do a private computation. And the reason the first try it breaks is because I already tested with two accounts, two wallets, wallets
Yeah.
I show you before that, and I did not create a handler function which if the pairs has been calculated and the same person submitted the value again, how will it compute? That's the
Yeah.
reason it breaks the first time.
Okay.
So let's go back to our
Now that is what we're trying to achieve.
yes. So let's go back to this thing. Let's see. No, I can just throw the smart contract from the in another one.
But it's different UI. Couldn't might not work.
Prod some contract. Or just run. Um, I'm thinking like this this project is kind of goes out of hand. I'm not even sure what's happening.
Is it is it hallucinating a lot?
Yeah,
Just it's
is
yeah. Could
okay.
it be
So
because
I'm
we're
actually
using
thinking
more
like
than one agent?
probably no. I would say probably how I prompt it. Like it might be too vague for cursor because the one I test out I try to like be precise and specific, but this one I'm pretty sure I'm just trying to like try it out like a person who don't know how to code and just ask questions. but I'll try the last fix. Well, let's use our Claude to fix it. We can try using like multiple agents.
No more composer.
Yeah, but Composer like is actually really fast and it can like scaffold your project pretty fast.
What is
But
Is it a multi-agent thing where it chooses
no, I'm pretty sure it's just a model created by Cursor. But from what I just tried, I cannot see like the big difference yet. And also I cannot like confirm that it's totally like bad from the errors we got, right? Because it might be our fault that it's not giving the enough context to it.
Yeah. Review.
I'm not gonna review, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Open. Since our 3000 port is being used, let's change to 3001. This is completely another smart contract that we just created. So no transaction yet. We can use the same wallet.
Seems all right so far.
Yeah, it will. The errors we got is from submitting values. Copy this. 222. Wait. What am I actually getting? Oh, my brain swap. Sorry.
All right, that's 22.
22 and 21. Oh, 11. So it would come
33.
out.
Okay.
33 again. Okay. Oh no, I don't want it to be like. Let's do it 44 and 33. So it come out as 77.
Let's see. 44, 33.
44, 33. Please work. Now all we need to do is
It'll work. It's working.
It works.
Yeah, there we go.
But I'm not sure if
the
it's,
change
if
is
it's mocked.
4.5.
Now submit this. Transaction history. Oh. Now it's waiting for pair to submit value. And after this submitted, we will refresh this and see if it shows. Okay, shows submitted. Just try to refresh this again. Don't tell me everything is mocked.
That would be bad.
Don't
It's
tell me
actually not.
everything is mocked.
Oh no, it's mock values, dude.
No
Actually,
way.
history. No way to look at it in COTI the testnet.
Wait.
No.
Oh, we can of course. Do here the contract address. maybe because we use Claude, right? And it's just forget about
Yeah,
everything,
it's also new
like a
to
new
it. It's
person.
like new contact. Yeah, it's like hey, it just came in. Like, hey, what's up? Like, what do I have to do?
1 minute ago.
Was that right?
Mm, could be right. Yeah, right.
It might be. It might just be pending computations and transaction history isn't being updated. Then, hey, what?
Oh no, I haven't. I have not refreshed this properly. Let's try it.
What?
Yeah, the fun about white coding. Let me check the battery.
Ghost transaction.
No way.
Schrodinger's transaction.
Um, I'll tell it just to. Oh, this is a working one. I think it's actually calling something onto the contract, right? But we are not seeing the.
Yeah, but it popped up just earlier. You want to do a bug fix? Easy, real quick.
Yeah.
Transaction history isn't really working. It's not being updated.
Rules. Now just a moment of silence of waiting again. Add event query functions. Oh, it's actually pretty smart. Mhm. What AI ID have you like that you have tried? We have
AI
cursor
what?
ID.
Oh, IDEs. I mean, I
What have you tried?
anti gravity is the only IDE that I've jumped into.
Mhm.
Everything is just has been very scary for me. So I stuck to no
Mhm.
code and low code, no code for a long time.
And
Lovable
now
V
start
zero,
coding, right?
yes, and even yeah, but I use AI Studio. That was my like my it introduced me into like the bigger world of vibe coding and
Yeah.
jumped into anti gravity. That's my first IDE. Yeah, because everything else felt very like, especially the terminal based ones, felt too scary, and even
Yeah.
Cursor 1.0 felt like it's too much of a jump. So yeah, that's why I didn't I
Yeah.
didn't use any. But anti gravity is awesome. It looks similar to this. It doesn't have multi agent. Is the difference.
Oh, it does not happen. But it's free, right? With limited.
Free. Yes, it's free. I have not hit the limit yet. I haven't had to pay anything yet on. You saw, we worked like for fun. We did the clicking game
Yeah.
for the office to play, and that is all done for free.
Nice.
Yeah, which is great, especially trying things out. Learning is the biggest part. Is I
Hmm.
learned a lot ever since I started vibe coding on both AI Studio um, and Anti Gravity. You
Well, I can actually see your progress, right, from like
Yeah,
vibe
and it's
coding.
fun. It really is fun. It's great, and you slowly kind of start understanding the limitations of it. And when you start to learn the limitations of it, you have better. You're able to prompt better. You kind of anticipate when and where things break. Yeah.
Hmm. It's all experience.
Because to be honest, in learning how to use AI in a lot of ways is learning how to be a good manager. And sometimes, although AI has a lot of context, it's like when explaining to it, it's like explaining to a child how what you want, and you have to be very specific.
Exactly.
Look at this. Look at it go,
Like
man.
it's creating a new project. Look at this.
Oh my
Fast
god,
and
no.
fast.
Is there a
Well,
way
it's
to check for tokens? In the old one, there is. Don't stop it.
well, since you mentioned it, I'm not sure if how the calculation works.
Me neither. Because it's not one to one.
You're right. It can be used like across multiple agents.
Planning next moves. Well,
Well, is it even working?
well, it says for you to review.
Running terminal. Oh, review. I don't think it's for me to review. It's for the AI to review. Oh, it's working like four to dos, right? And it's say 4 out of 4 to
Hmm.
dos completed. But
I
what
think
is it
your
waiting
webcam's
for?
frozen, Jordan.
Oh, right. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you, but I think your webcam's frozen a little bit here. There we go. Oh, it's still frozen. Nice. What an unfortunate.
These always happen to me. Like, why? Is it? Am I able to like rejoin? I'm not sure.
Wait. Oh yeah, you're back. You're
Am I?
back. You're moving again. But you're lagging when you're moving.
I'm seeing
Okay,
myself
cool.
moving like. Hello.
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
But I mean, can you see me?
I can see you, but it's weird because it's like I think you're like speed running the time. Yeah, okay, I can see you. Don't worry.
I can see myself lagging, but I can see you like move so smooth.
Yeah, weird. Uh, what is your favorite? What is your favorite project to work with that you vibe coded?
Wipe coded. Uh, it's like a project I like worked like two years ago. Probably like a marketplace, some kind of stuff like that.
Hmm.
Well,
Two
it
years
was
ago.
yeah, it was the days when 2 years ago. Yeah, probably 2 years. Like working on like with ChatGPT. It's when ChatGPT is like some kind of spatial thing.
Yeah, that is. But vibe coding back then, how I can't imagine
I
how.
mean, I do have background, right?
Of course.
Am I still freezing?
Yeah, well, you're slow. I'd say you're lagging. It's
I'll
your
try to
webcam is
close
from the past.
most of the stuff.
Maybe it's just your process is yours.
Yeah.
The
Could be.
cursor 2.0 is eating up a lot of your RAM.
Oh my god. Love it. Because I'm seeing that it's gonna freeze like this like forever.
Hmm. So having a desktop based IDE does use local the resources. There we go.
Yeah. My everything for me is
No
broken.
available windows. Could be a memory leak from one of the browser apps, from the web apps. But yeah,
Hello?
it's Christmas coming up in the next few days. Hello.
I cannot see you or I cannot move anything on my PC at all.
Oh my god, that is terrible. I can see you though, and I can
Oh,
still kind of see your window. I'm not sure if it's still like live on your window, but there we go. I'd
it's
suggest
live? I close everything.
ending some processing. All
I
right,
ended
I
a
am
lot of
seeing
like
it. It's actually showing. Uh, the Mac is
it's
struggling.
probably like cursor stuff. Open it. Calvin, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Yeah, I see you opening up cursor as well, though.
Is it possible if we can wrap up? I'm not sure if laptops are going to work.
Right. All good.
Good.
That is,
Because
well, we
we
have already seen what cursor being used, and we also saw the finished the finished project. So I think we can wrap things up. So thank you very much, everyone. Once again, don't miss this chance to see more resources for you to build your own systems, and subscribe to COTI YouTube channel and set your reminder to join for more live streams. So next Tuesday, tune in for Vibe Coding with Augment Code. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Stay
make
confident.
sure next time
Thank you
I
very much,
will
everyone.
update my computer. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Calvin.
All right.